It's time to repot my monstera. Alright, watch me grow. And I'm using my old, see this one right here? So, why not, right? Why would I spend money to buy another one? This doesn't make sense. Alright, yo. Watch me grow. I'm off today and I'm back to work tomorrow. And I'm repotting this philodendron. This is her pot before. Look like she's growing massively. I didn't know they grow like this. See? Let's see. This is a good drainage pot. So I like this one though. This kind of pot. It's good drainage, and I did transfer my monstera. I did transfer. Repotting what I meant. So repotting, and I just repotting this big girl, and I'm gonna move her together with my calatheas. Alright, let me get a little space. Little space here. Alright, big girl, you're gonna be there for maybe 1 or 2 days, and she's gonna go back inside the house. So, these are my calatheas. They are very, 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 very beautiful, but very hard. You mean very panicky, and I don't know, just like you fixing coffee, like you got to have your special kind of mixture. So this is one of those. I grow with calatheas. Some gardener have complaints about it, like they're very hard or it's hard to place them, but it's really true. Of course they gave me a hard time also, but you gotta know them. See this one yellow right there? I never like yellow leaves. It's getting me, it gets on my nerve. This one right there, I just want them to look like this, like very pretty, you know. They are the back of my house, back patio, and this area are like partly shades, not full sun, but the front is really full sun, and you know they burn easily. And very careful to facing them in the window, glass window. They really burn easy. I have 5 leaves burn yesterday, and I was not really paying attention, and I cut them off this morning, and you know I'm still learning. Alright, they're all here. Are they gorgeous? And my brats are here. Kitty! Say hello, Kitty. Hi, Bratty. Brat. Kitty! Hi, beauty. Alright, more of this. I can't even let you show all plants at the back patio. My. I have to clean this area. Seriously. So, maybe next time. And my brats are here. Kitty! Say hello, Kitty. Hi, Bratty. Brat. Kitty! Hi, beauty. And look at this here. You think I'm done showing? No, I'm not. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. One thing I learned with these plants, you water them when they're really like dry, not really like bone dry, like 2 inches dry, and water them, and you will be fine. See how big is the leaves right there? They're beautiful. They're my favorite. It's yellow again. I hate this thing, but I got more in here. Alright, yo, next time. Thanks for watching on my video. Give me a thumbs up or likes, please. Oh, I'm not begging. Alright, thanks, y'all.